Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to check and top off your engine oil in this 2008 Chevy Silverado with a 4.3 liter V6 engine. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Now over here, you're going to want to take a rag. There's a dipstick. Grab the dipstick, pull it out. Just going to wipe it down with the rag first. Reinsert the dipstick. You're going to want to do this with the engine off and after the engine is sat for a little while. And we're checking the oil level and it looks like I don't even see any on the dipstick. Where you want the oil level is in between these two marks. There's a min mark here and a max mark there. So right in those hash marks. So at this point we're going to have to add some oil. To add the oil, there's a filler cap right here. If it's really dirty, just wipe it off with a rag. Loosen it up, pull the filler cap off. We can stick a funnel there and top off our oil. When you're done, just take the filler cap, lock it back in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.